Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper of Thursday, August the 10th, 2023. Told you earlier, in today's newspaper we have no additional, no extra puzzles. It's the edition of yesterday, Wednesday, August the 9th, 2023. And we have three puzzles left in the yesterday's edition, and one of them I've already solved, the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the tectonic with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In English, tectonic or jigsaw Sudoku. In Japanese, suguru. And the other one is the Two Stars Sudoku, and this will be number 6900. Yeah, 6900. Well, it's not actually a 2 stars because this one has 31 printed digits. Should be a 0 stars. For 2 stars Sudoku we have usually 26 printed digits. For 2 stars you need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, I think it's a 0 stars, so it should be faster than 15 or 14 minutes, but we will see. So let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about the 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column? So the column between only 2 places left, for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright, then 2, then 1, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 2 boxes here, and 8 in this column, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be down. 3, 4, 4, need 7, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, and this box cannot be a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, and we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, and a 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have a 1 and a 3 in this column, so no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 2. Alright. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Alright, then 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest of the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then yeah, how about the number 9 there? I'm scanning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. Okay. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the surface should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. And the 5, 4 and the 5. Okay. And now. Need a 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column with 3 in the second column, only 3 places left for 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in the first row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the third row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, okay. 6, right. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. Need a 4 here. Need a 2 here. 9, 4. Come on. This is taking too long. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, okay. 1. Need a 5 here. 8, okay. Come on. Well. Need a 4 here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 5. It should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5. Okay, cannot continue with the 5. 1 box left in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 4, 8. Need a 6, need a 2 here. 2. Come on. 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in the first row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see 2 in this last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see 2 in this third column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright, can I count? And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. We have a pair, I believe. No, not the pair. 4, 1, 1. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We two of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and a 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in the third row, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So we have a 4 in this row. Oh yeah, we have a 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, two missing numbers in this big square form is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes in there. One box left in this first row for the man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. One box left in this big square for the man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. One box left in this big square from 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. One box left in the second column for number, I believe the 9 again. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, only place left for 9 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 6 goes and there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, only two places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. 6 and 3. Two missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place left for 3 should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now. In this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes and there. Can I count? And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Okay. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 6 should be there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 9 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Two missing numbers in this big square from the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, only place left for the 1 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square from the 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, told you it should be a 0 stars a puzzle, and we solve it again. No 2 stars, no 1 star, 0 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.